Hi everyone, Gagajoy, and today we're going to be making something simple. It's my favorite comfort food. There were some of my friends, we were all out to eat, and we were having dessert. And I said, "What's your favorite comfort food?" There were 5 of us, and 4 of us. It was macaroni and tomatoes. It was shocking. That I guess that's where we got the same dispositions or something. But truly, it is my favorite. I guess it was since I was a little girl. My mother always made this, and sometimes she put cheese in it. I prefer not to have cheese in it. But when my children were growing up, this was not satisfying to them. So I made the hamburger, the onions, green peppers, and put it in, and with cheese. That's satisfied there. But yesterday, out of the blue, I was watching something on TV, and it was about the 1920s when they had the soup kitchens. I never thought about what they fed them in the soup kitchens, but they call this Hoovers recipe. And out of the blue yesterday, I was watching TV, and they were talking about in the 1920s during the Great Depression, the soup lines. And I guess I never did think about, I just assumed that was soup, but it wasn't. It was macaroni and stewed tomatoes. And if they were lucky, occasionally they would get a load in of wieners. And they were so happy that it had that protein that they just put it right in with the macaroni and the tomatoes. So anyway, it made me feel a bit guilty, when you hear things like that. I wasn't born during the Depression, but didn't miss it by too much. I was born in 1944, so my mom was. She used to tell us how bad it was. So we'll continue. I've already, since nobody's going to be here this evening, only cooked 1 cup of macaroni, and I drained it. And I love Hunt's tomatoes. That's my tomato of choice. You may love other tomatoes, and but use the tomato of your choice. I love Hunt's because the juice is real thick. They're peeled, and I just go in and cut them up a little bit, and we'll stick those in. And I always thought this was a southern dish because of what I'm going to add next. Sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, salt and pepper, teaspoon of salt and teaspoon of pepper. Yep, that's my dinner tonight. And with the week the way it was, it's going to be, I need it. So, but anyway, remember this is called the Hoover recipe. And I hope you try it. Everything was just was not pretty hot. My heart flutters. It's so good. Try it. When you have a down day, make you some tomatoes and macaroni. Have a good rest of the day. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. And we'll see you soon. Bye.